because at the end of the day, just look at your child. Y'all can look at your children, right? If any of y'all got younger children, right? To all of y'all that got younger children, just look at them and just see
Yeah.
the innocence, see the purity in them, see the chaos in them. My son is straight chaos. My son, SUN, right?
Mm,
He is chaos for real. And he's supposed to be like basically a reflection of me, right?
mm.
And it's funny because his Earth Strong Day is 3/28 and mine is 8/23.
The mirroring effect, right?
So we yeah, so we definitely mirrored all the way and
The
all the way
mirror.
just
And
straight.
that's even the same thing as that palindrome thing that they was talking about recently. That would technically kind of be the same thing. It's
Yeah,
reading
we
the
both
same.
had the same exact names and everything. So,
Wow.
even in my ignorance to that thing, I constantly think he's gonna grow up like me and be strong and tough like his daddy and all this other stuff, right? But in
Mm,
all actuality, I look at my son, I'll be like, oh shoot, he is full of joy, full of happiness, full of,
yeah.
he hasn't been mind controlled into this world, into this
Mm,
illusion yet, right? He doesn't understand the tough aches and all of this stuff that's coming, right?
yeah.
And then even more ignorant, right? I'm thinking I'm supposed to be putting all of this into him, but I'm
Mm,
really supposed to be learning from him
yes.
because he actually birthed me.
Yeah.
You feel me? So now, as I'm looking at my son, right, because that's the son inside of me, and my son, he's just a reflection of what I'm supposed to naturally be,
Mm,
right, in my pure state, right? I'm just supposed to reflect on his whole essence, right? The mirroring effect. He's pure, thoughtfulness, right? Doesn't hide his emotions, funny, caring,
yeah.
right? And that's what I need to do. I need to step
Yeah.
into my power and be courageous and be like, all right, I know I'm the quote unquote parent in this thing,
Mm,
but in all actuality, you're the one that's teaching me. You're the teacher, right?
yeah.
I'm supposed to learn something, right? Right. Instead of being that cowardly lion, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm supposed to at least see something where I can pull from him, right? The Lion King, right?
Mm.
What's the Lion King? What was the dad's name on the Lion King?
Uh, what is the dad's name? Is it Mufasa?
Muf was it Mufasa? Yeah, that sounds right. Yeah.
Yeah, Mufasa.
Right. Instead of me being Mufasa, right? And trying to, son, come here, let me teach you something.
mm.
No, I need to look at Simba.
Yeah.
I need to look at Simba before he was scarred, though. Before
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
scarred, which is the wounded child. Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, come on, babe, with the drop. Yeah.
And I'm supposed to exude his essence because Simba was fun. He
Mm.
was having fun with Nyla. What was
Nala.
Nyla?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And that's
Wow.
what we're talking about, family. We're talking about childlike, not childish. You feel?
Childlike, not childish.
We're not
Facts.
talking about being, in some kind of childish state, but Simba was actually in that childlike spirit with Nala, having fun doing their thing and da 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 da
In
da.
a divine state of mind. See, that's what I'm talking about, though, because in that